welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and you will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updates about my latest videos. And as we all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so what is there for my Aries in the middle of October 2020, please? For my Aries in the middle of the month, October. One more shuffle, please. So at the back of the deck, you have the moon with the death card over here. So you and your person, Aries, I'm seeing that, you know, you are in a place where you are not able to speak what you are feeling, and your person is like, you know, they are in the verge of ending the relationship, or they have already thought of that thing that they will end up this relationship, or they have already ended it because they want to, you know, they might have found out some kind of a secret or some kind of an information which they were finding in your part. I'm seeing that thing, that it is more in your part. I'm seeing that they have had that intuition that you are being secretive because the moon is in your side, and I'm seeing that yes, this might be you over here who has thought about something, and who has, you know, might be you might have you know, there might be some kind of a secret and you might have not told your person. That is what I'm getting over here. Plus I'm seeing that, you know, after that separation of yours, you felt sad. There were regrets, and you know, you wanted the reconciliation to happen. You missed your person, and you are on this part. You were feeling guilty, you were on the regret part, you were feeling that I had something, I had someone, and now that person is no more in my life. That person has gone. So because they have gone towards something and some kind of a new beginning they have. I'm seeing your partner, your person over here is Aries, is really, you know, they are letting go of this relationship. That is what I'm seeing. They are no more turning back, because they are moving forward towards the new beginning, because it is what their conscience is saying, okay, conscious is saying. So they are like they're like moving forward, and they want to just, you know, they do not want to deal with this situation anymore. It's like it's over from their side. That is what I'm getting over here. You know, this process, this in your part as well, you know, this was a process in which you were involved in, Aries, and that is why I'm seeing that it is more about you know, the situation in which you were in was a process. It was a cycle which had to happen, and that is why now this process is completed. Now the relationship between you both is completed. Okay, this might be a new beginning towards your new relationship, or towards the reconciliation, because I'm seeing that you are the one who wants the reconciliation to happen. But what about your person? Is it a transformation, or is it an ending for them? Do they want to start again with you or not? Okay, so it's up to you. So they are actually in this thing, I'm seeing that they are moving on, and they do not want to look back. They have packed their bags, and they are ready to move on. That is what is coming. The outcome over here with the Ace of Wands and the Hanged Man is, you know, I'm seeing that you are not turning your back over here. You are like, you are missing them, you are messaging them, you have had something. Okay, there was something fishy, there was something which was hidden between you both, and something which came out, some kind of news, some kind of bad information came out. but that is not the ending. That is something, okay, it had to come out, and it is actually revealed. The information has been revealed, and now it's, you are like, okay, now what will happen if everything is fine, everything is out now. Now I don't want that thing to happen again. Okay, that is why I'm seeing that you might be, you are in that place where you want that ending, but you, for that you want a beginning. Okay, you want to end the things, but because you want to restart it again with a good, with a beautiful motive. Okay, now you don't have the bad motive to restart this communication or to restart this relationship of yours. I'm also getting the outcome with over here is with the Ace of Wands. I'm seeing that you have an idea to start this as a new beginning. You are really moving forward towards this relationship. You want it again. That ignition is there in your mind. You want to restart it. But what about your partner? Okay, what about your person over here, Aries? They have the Hanged Man. They are in a state where, yes, since it was a very painful thing, whatever happened, it was very painful. They actually took time. It was like, you know, it was full of regrets, it was full of dull moments, but still they are rethinking about it, about this decision. I'm seeing, yes, they are the Hanged Man over here. They are thinking about whatever happened between you both, and they will take a decision. They will try to understand your perspective as well, because they're actually, their, you know, their mindset is actually changing. That is what I'm getting. The advice for you over here with the Star and the Three of Cups, we actually are getting that reconciliation energy over here, Aries. You might be, you know, you're hoping, you are, you know, you're looking towards those beautiful moments which you actually spent with your person, and that is why you are hoping for that time to come back in your life, and you want to restart again with the person. And that is why you are waiting, you are rejoicing, and you are seriously waiting in a happy note. You are waiting for them to come back. That is what I'm getting over here. Yeah, see, with the Queen of Pentacles, you are actually, you know, it is like that kind of an energy where you are satisfied with only this person. You don't want anything else. You are happy with whatever they give to you. You are happy with all sorts of energies they have for you, all sort of, however, you know, the way they love you, the way they take care of you. You love that innocence, you love that care they give to you. That is why you don't feel, that is why you are, you know, the memories are coming up, you are thinking about them. That is why it is happening with you, and you want this thing to happen, but you know, they are in a process, Aries, over here. You cannot just force them that they should come, just, you know, they went and they will come back to you just once. No, they will take time. They are taking their time, and they are thinking about, okay, the outcome. This is your future. So this is what I'm getting, that you know, your energies are also syncing with their energies, where you have the idea where you want to start with them as a new relationship, and they are thinking that yes, I can. Okay, they are also thinking with the same perspective which you have. They're also thinking with the same intention. The energies are same, but still they are in the thinking mode. The action mode is yet to come. Okay, they are not action oriented right now. You are thinking, you are basically, you know, you are manifesting, you are in fact you are praying as well for them to happen. They are really thinking to send you a message or not. They are in that mode where they are thinking, but your energies are like, okay, I want to be with this person, no matter whatever will happen. I want this person as my life. Okay, as my life long person, as my better half. That is what you are looking towards to your person. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aries. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.